Hey everyone, this is another conversation video for today's conversation, and today's conversation was on confidence and for self demotivation. And from past of the days, I have know that self confidence was so much important, and also to maintaining your physique and exercises because. As you have attractive with yourself so that you look like too much good and the public attraction was coming whenever then when you have the cool attraction and so that if you wanted to grow up with your skills and everything, you just follow up some guidelines that and they follow first up basically the discipline. If you maintaining the discipline, everything could be possible. And by conversating in English conversation, I know very well that everything could be possible at very easy manner, but by doing but just a simple apply of just simply talk with ourselves or everything in front of camera. I think I know that this could be pretty depressive and so much difficult to say something anything about ourselves in front of camera, but nothing could be impossible. You have to just to do that 2 minute rule. The only 2 minute rule was just to open the camera and just speak something, the work that you wanted to do, just open it and just spend 2 minutes of time, and nothing could be impossible and you can do your work. Let's suppose that many students has say that we can study for long hour, we can study not, we cannot try to study, we cannot give our 100% to study anything. But the only answer is that you, if you wanted to study, if you want to study, the only single thing that you have to do is just to wake up and open for a 2 minute. Whenever you open for a 2 minute, you know that everything could be possible. Let's suppose that I think ultimately even from a 1 month I wasted my time and not earning money for more than or less than so that I have money only for my recharge and nothing then else. So that today is the tuition time, but I have to make a schedule for it, and today I will make the schedule and the schedule for making the work. And I decided in the morning that until and unless I have to work for myself and up to not more than but 4 hours of work would be done for myself. uh, Wait for a minute, no, don't wait for a moment. Just recapping, I know that I have looked like something black, but only reason was I have to wash my face so that the cleanness was coming, and the hair growth was to be maximized, and looks matters a lot. So that how could you maintain your look? By simply you have mm, by following simple steps and making the body, as I know that the camera filter, not the filter, speak in English, don't worry about it. Let's make the target and the conversation. I know that the line was go at 10 o'clock or 9 o'clock. So at this time I record the videos, conversate at this time. At the evening, in the evening I go for teaching or making scripting, for making videos and many more things. I know that we are going to the loop of perfectionism, but there is no limit for perfectionism. If you have just anything just started, don't worry about that I have to go for this, that and that. It's a loop of perfectionism. I think the light was, yeah. Okay.